Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant. Daily news and updates for 5th September 2023. Private equity firm Bain Capital has approached Indian pharmaceutical company Dr. Reddy's Laboratories to explore a joint bid for the promoters of Cipla, the Hamied family. DRL is evaluating the opportunity and countering an offer from Torrent Pharma, another Indian investor. If DRL decides to participate, the combined entity would become the leading Indian origin pharma major at home and in the US and emerging markets. After nearly a month of receiving approval to launch its asset management business, discount broking firm Zerodha has filed papers with SEBI to launch two passive funds. The two passive funds are Zerodha Tax Saver ELSS Nifty Large Mid Cap 250 Index Fund and Zerodha Nifty Large Mid Cap 250 Index Fund. Both are passive index funds tracking the Nifty Large Mid Cap 250 Index Fund. Government's plan of projecting India as a hub of aircraft leasing is set for a boost, with two of India's largest airlines, IndiGo and Air India, setting up leasing arms at Gift City, Gujarat. IndiGo, which has around 1,000 aircraft on its order book, said on Monday that the airline will set up a leasing unit for financing its aircraft by investing ₹30 crore. The company will also issue a corporate guarantee of up to $996 million for payment obligation of the company. IndiGo is likely to lease around 10 Airbus A320 Neo through Gift City in the first lot. Tata-owned Air India has already established an aircraft leasing unit in the Special Economic Zone known as IFSC Gift City. The carrier's 6 A350-900s, due to start arriving later this year, will arrive under the company called AI Fleet Services IFSC Limited Financial Lease. Air India has placed an order for 470 aircraft earlier this year, sourced from Boeing and Airbus. Home loan seekers may be eligible to get larger financing if the banking sector regulator approves a proposal submitted by banks to include stamp duty and other registration charges in the project cost. Lenders reached out to Reserve Bank of India after internal deliberations in a meeting held last month. At present, such charges are not covered in the home loan amount. Drug major Cipla on Monday said its unit has inked a pact to acquire South Africa-based Actor Pharma. Cipla South Africa, a wholly owned subsidiary of the Mumbai-based drug major, has inked a binding term sheet with Actor Holdings Pty Limited to acquire 100% of the issued ordinary shares of Actor Pharma. This is a strategic acquisition for Cipla South Africa to unlock future growth opportunities and leverage cost synergies in the South African market. A senior government functionary assured that the compulsory import licensing norms introduced for import of laptops and tablets, which has triggered widespread concerns about a return to pre-liberalization era policies, is a one-off move and won't become a trend across sectors, emphasizing that the shift in import policy for laptops, tablets and servers was driven by security concerns. The official underlined that such licensing norms are unlikely to be introduced for other goods that are imported. It was done in the case of laptops and tablets due to certain concerns, but will not be replicated at a large scale. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.